P-traps serve a very important role in the health and safety of your home by preventing sewer odors from entering the home by blocking the pipe with the water. Also, it helps catch items that may otherwise never be recovered. But there is one feature of P-trap that rarely getting credit and being described. In one of my projects, the HVAC pump had ridiculously built drain line with some thin rubber little tube going nowhere. So we decided to rebuild it and run dedicated extension as PVC line to outside of the house. We ran the line outside to carport to see how it goes, and guess what we heard from it? Annoying gargling noise. You can hear it from the video. The reason of this happening is air that has easy way to escape from the drain line because there is no obstruction as supposed to be the pressure from the water. How to fix that nasty gargling noise coming out of the drain? Very easy. Install P-trap. Here is how it looks in our little project. And this little thing is able to audit and regulate airflow through drain pipe. We actually ran longer line to the back of the house because of how much water was dripping, and we didn't want it to be on carport in front of the house. And here is the final result. No gargling sounds anymore. Shout out to the P-trap.